Hello and welcome to our last ever Google Classroom guided notes. We have made it to the very end of Star Prep, and for our last day we're going to talk about some real life math, so some finances, budgeting, and things like that. This first problem is a really common one, so this is going to be like our most common type of finance problem. They like to give us these salaries, so meaning money made in a year. So we have an accountant's salary, which is $71,040, but they need a bachelor's degree. Or you can be a tax preparer who makes $41,700 and they only need a high school diploma. So a couple different options here. It's asking us, based on the average annual salaries in the table, how much more would an accountant earn than a tax preparer over a 30-year career? We have two steps here. First, we have to find the difference. So, we're going to say, okay, accountant was $71,440, tax preparer was $41,700. And we're just subtracting. So 0 minus 0, 4 minus 0, to borrow here. So the difference in 1 year, this would be for 1 year, would be $29,340. But we want the 30-year difference. So we're going to take that 29,340 and multiply it by 30. So first we're just going to get a bunch of zeros. And then our placeholder. And then we're saying, okay, 3 times 0, 12, 10. And then we add. We end up with $880,200 of difference over 30 years, which gives us answer choice C. Oh, come on, lights. No. There we go. Okay. The second one, consumers sometimes make choices that cause negative information to be put on their credit reports. Which of these is the most likely number of years that this negative information will remain on their credit reports? So, first of all, a credit report is like a financial history. It's something that people can look up about you if they need to know anything about your financial history. So if they need to know, like, hey, will this person pay me back? Will Miss Zamora pay me back if I let her borrow some money to buy this TV or whatever? If something bad happens, so if something bad, negative, would be like not paying money back for any reason, that information is going to stay there for 7 to 10 years. So people will be able to look up that negative information for 7 to 10 years. And they'll see for a whole decade, be like, wow, Miss Zamora cannot pay money back. And that will mean that, like, I can't borrow money in the future. For our last problem, before Nina bought groceries on April 22nd, she had a balance of $487.25 in her checking account. Nina wrote her transactions in her check register, and she included all her transactions throughout the end of the day on April 23rd. So, she started with $487.25. She withdrew $72.50, withdrawing being a negative change. And then she deposited another $15. So she's adding 15. This means that we're starting with $487.50 and we're subtracting $72.50. Or I'm sorry, 25 and subtracting $72.50. Making sure that we line up our decimals. When I subtract that, 5 minus 0 is 5. Have to borrow there. Lining up my decimals, so dot. 1, 4. So I end up with $415.75. So right here, after this change, my balance is $415.75. I have one more change to go, so I'm going to add $15. Again, lining up my decimals. And I'm adding 5 plus 0, 7 plus 0. So I end up with $429.75. Thank you for watching all of these. Y'all are going to do excellent on the STAR next week, and I'm so excited to get those scores back in June. Good luck on the rest of your packet, and tomorrow we're just going to relax. We'll watch Stand and Deliver, maybe play some Prodigy, and kind of talk about how we think the STAR is going to go.